Okay, let's see if you guys can do this one here. Let's say you've got a pack of playing cards. If you were to pick out two cards at random, what is the probability that these two cards will have different suits? So, for example, if you pick out a heart here and a heart here, then this would be a bad outcome. Okay. If you pick out a diamond here and a spade up here, then this would be a good outcome because well, we just want to know the probability that these two cards will have different suits. Okay. So press pause and think about it. How would you work out the probability here? Okay, so to do this, try and draw a map of all the things that could happen. Well, on your first card, let's say you're about to pick one card. What could happen? Well, you could get a club here, okay, or you could get a spade, or you could get a heart, or you could get a diamond. Okay, so let's draw a map first. So this is you here at the start. You could get what was the first one? A club. Okay, so depending on where you live in the world, there are different names. Okay, well, this here is a club to me anyway. So it's a club here. Well, you could get hang on. You could get a spade here. Okay, a spade here. You could get a heart here. Okay, so you could get a heart, or you could get a diamond. Okay, so on your first card you could get a club, spade, heart, or diamond. Well, the probability of you getting a club on your first card will be 13 out of 52. Okay, probability of you getting a spade will be again 13 out of 52. Because if you look at the whole pack of cards, you got 13 here. Okay, so it's 13 out of 52. Probability of you getting heart would be 13 out of 52. Probability of you getting a diamond would be 13 out of 52. Okay, so let's say you're here at the moment. On your first pick, you happen to pick a club. So we've gone down this route here. So let's say you've just picked out a club here. Now, the probability of you getting another club would be 11. Would be 12. 12 left. Okay, so the probability of you getting another club after picking a club. Hang on, let me draw this. So on your second card, you could get a club, you could get a spade, you could get a heart, or you could get a diamond. Now you've just picked out one card already, one club. So the probability of you getting another club would be 12 out of 51. Okay, because let's just imagine you've just removed this one here. You just picked this one here. There are now 51 cards left, and there are only 12 left here. 12 clubs left. Okay, so it must be 12 out of 51. Okay, the probability of you getting a spade here would be 13 out of 51 because you just picked out a club here. So the spade, if you look at it, spades remain at 13. So the probability of you picking out a spade would be 13 out of 51. Let's say you've just picked out a club. The probability of you getting a heart would be 13 out of 51. And then the probability of you picking a diamond after picking a heart, after picking a club, would be 13 out of 51. Okay, so well, this one here would be a bad outcome. This one here would be a good outcome. Would be good outcome, good outcome. So you're interested in these three branches. But let's merge these three together. Okay, so let's remove this. Hang on. Let's do it like this. We're going to merge the bottom three together. So bear with me. So here we could get a club, or we could get a not club. Okay, so we're just merging the bottom three branches together. So hang on, the probability of you getting a club would be 12 out of 52. Well, you're interested in this one here. Remember, we've just merged the three branches together, so it would be 39 out of 51. Okay, so yeah, so once you've picked out a club here, the probability of you getting not a club would be 39. 13 there, 13 here, 13 here, out of the possible 51 cards. So basically, merge your bottom three together, so it looks neater. So this is a bad outcome. This is a good outcome. Okay, let's see. The probability. Let's go back to the beginning of time here. You are here. You've just picked out a spade. Okay, the probability of you picking out another spade would be 12 out of 51. The probability you are not picking a spade, would be 39 out of 51. We could draw it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. This could be a spade, but let's merge these three together so it looks neater. That's all. So this is a bad outcome. This is a good outcome. So now, hang on. So this one here, let's go back to the beginning of time here. You've just picked out a heart. The probability of you getting another heart would be 12 out of 51. The probability of you not getting a heart would be 39 out of 51. And the probability, hang on, let's go back to the beginning of time. So you are here. Probability of you getting a diamond and then another diamond would be 12 out of 51 here, and not a diamond would be what is it? 39 out of 51. Okay, so heart, not a good outcome. Heart, not heart. So this is a good outcome. This is a bad outcome. This is a good outcome. Okay, so now once you've got your map, you can jump to something like this. Probability, you're interested in this branch here, club, not club. So it would be, remember, if it's an and, you times. Okay, if it's an or, you add. So we need a club and not a club. So we need this times this, because we need this and this. So we've got to times. So probability of club, not club, would be 13 out of 52 times what? Times this thing here. Okay, because we need this and this. So 39 out of 51. 39 out of 51. Okay. So yeah. So top times top, bottom times bottom. So that equals. Hang on, calculator. 13 times 13 times 39 equals 507, and 52 times 51. So 52 times 51 equals 2652. 2652. And then what else are we interested in? We're interested in this and this as well. So we're interested in spade, not spade. So we're interested in spade, not spade. So probability of that would be, well, we need spade, this and this. So you've got to get, because it's an and, you've got to times. So we've got to get this times this. Okay, so it would be 13 52 times 39 out of 51. That should be the same. Okay, 50. It should be the same. And then what else are we interested in? We're interested in this branch here. A heart and a non-heart. So again, it would be the same. This times this. Hang on. Probability of heart, non-heart. So that would be, well, 13 over 52 times 39 over 51. Well, it's going to be the same thing here. Over 2652. And then the last one is same here, a diamond, non-diamond. So it would be this and this. So we need to times. So probability of diamond, not diamond, equals 1352 times 39 over 51. That should be the same. So hang on, 226.52. So basically, now we need this branch, or this branch, or this branch, or this branch. Now, when it's an or, you add. So basically, we've got to add all. We've got to add all these together. Okay, there are 4 branches, but because they're all the same, I'm just going to get 1 and times by 4. It's the same thing. Rather than getting this, add this, add this, add this, I'm just going to get the 5 over 507 times. Sorry, I'm just going to get this and then times by 4. That should give us the probability of difference. Probability of, let's say, different. Okay, so the probability of the 2 cards being different would be this. So now, when you times a fraction, times it to the top. So hang on. So probability of different would be, well, get the 4 times to the top. So calculator, clear it. What is it? 507 times 4 equals 2028 over this thing here. So this will be 2652. It's a bit hard to visualize this. Turn it into a decimal, then we can see the probability. Okay, so probability of different. It would be it would be 2028 divided by 2652 equals 0.76. 0.76. So it's actually quite easy to do. So if you have a pack of cards here, the probability of you picking 2 cards and them having different suits is 0.7. What was it? Got rid of it. 0.7 something. Okay. Yeah, done.